This is the Pro Bike bike shock pump, the BSP-01, and we were pretty excited because it seemed like a great deal. It had lots of great reviews, but look, there is not enough width for me to get that in there so I can screw it on. See how it's, whoops, sorry. See how it's staying on an angle? I cannot get it to go in. Obviously I wanted to go completely parallel, and it's impossible. There's no clearance for this particular bike pump on the Specialized. It's even more extreme on this Specialized. I can't even, there's not even enough room with the frame right there to get it in. So just be aware.
Yeah, this thing's a huge piece of junk. Don't buy it. There's nothing pro about it. It's got an okay build quality, but if you screw this onto the valve and then you push that in to open the valve, as soon as you open the valve, it pushes this guy all the way up, and then there's nothing you can do. You push it down and it just pushes right back against you. There's no backflow valve closing or whatever. I don't know. I don't build it, and neither should they.